Go! What? Why are you going when I'm right here? I'm right here. Why are you going? You're on my dash cam. Yeah, that's great. What's up, y'all? Oh my God! No! No!
Wypieprzył będzie gościu z tyłu.
Oh my God, dude. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Fuck, you just... Car up. Ma'am, I have to check this real quick. I'm sorry.
Big perks. Okay.
Oh, this retard caught in an accident.
Is that white?
No, it wasn't the white, it was the gray's fault.
6 hours a day, 5 days a week. Time with your kids. Frank's in charge though, huh? Church, you should listen to me. Okay, but stop it. It's wild because I don't think.
apparently staying in the lane is hard. Apparently staying on the road is hard. Jesus, dude. Hilarious.
Yeah.
Should I go live on Insta? No, obviously not. Probably not a good idea.
Yeah, probably not a good idea. You don't want to make it feel like a spectacle, especially if you have mixed feelings about being there. Just keep it low-key and supportive.
Pull over.
We should talk to that guy.
Okay, can we pull over?
We know the code of silence, you ain't gotta say it. You ain't gotta say it. Stupid.
Minutes on KS95.
What the
Oh no, that's gonna hit someone. Oh, that's gonna hit the car. Oh, it hit the car.
Bro, literally just fucking let the thing fly. And it's literally the only car in the goddamn parking lot. Holy.
What in that?
Fuck me.
Turn left on North Main Street.
Wow, let the school bus go. Come on. Wow. Oh my gosh. That poor school bus driver.
lights on, you idiot.